हेलो वेलकम टू माय चैनल टेक्निकल स्टूडेंट। तो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे इन दिस क्वेश्चन वी आर सीइंग दैट एन एलटीआई सिस्टम कैन बी मॉडल्ड यूजिंग द फॉलोइंग डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. This is the differential equation we have. Okay, and here we have an input x of t is equal to e to the power minus t u of t, y of 0 is given and y dash 0 is given. First question is that system output, second transfer function, and third one is discuss system stability. So now come to the point. This is the differential equation we have. Okay, this is the differential equation we have. So this is differential equation. So find y of t. We simply do two things here. Okay, so first of all we transform this equation into the Laplace equation. So d square y of t dt square is can be written in the Laplace domain s square y of s minus sy of 0 minus y dash 0, and this one can be written dy of t dt can be written like this sys minus y of 0. Okay, so now put this and we will solve this equation here. Okay, so be cool and see the lecture. You will definitely get the point and solve like this question in next time. So we put s square y of s. We have transformed this equation into Laplace minus sy of 0 minus y dash 0 plus 2, this is sy of s minus y of 0 plus 5, y of t is Laplace is y of s, and this become x of s. So what we get here? Simply we get the Laplace, we put the values, this become s square y of s minus s. What is the value of y of 0 is 0, so we put here 0. This is y dash 0, this is also 0, so this is also 0 plus 2 s y of s. Y of 0 is 0, so we put here 0 plus 5 y of s equal to x of x. Correct, my friend? So till here we get this equation s square plus y of s plus 2s y of s plus 5 y of s equal to x of s. Okay, and what we take? We take y of s as a common, so we get s square plus 2s plus 5 equal to x of s. Okay, now y of s upon x of s become 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 5. This we get. Okay, so here here x of t is input, here x of t is input. So here focus on the question. Here x of t is input, so x of x is also output input in Laplace, and y of s is output in Laplace. So output upon input in Laplace when all initial conditions are 0 is called transfer function h of s. So we get the h of s here. Be part of this question 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 5. Correct? Now come to the another part. We have to find y of t. So y of s upon x of s we have 1 upon x square plus 2s plus 5. Correct, my friend? See the previous page. 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 5. X of t we have e to the power minus t u of t. Correct? So we transform x of t into the Laplace by Laplace domain x of s. So u of t Laplace is 1 by s, and when we multiply e to the power minus t into u of t, this become 1 upon s plus 1. This is the Laplace of x of t 1 upon s plus 1. So y of s become 1 upon x square plus 2s plus 5 into 1 upon s plus 1. Correct? And we have to find here y of t. So what we do? We do partial fraction. So what we do? 1 upon s plus 1 equal to s square plus 2s plus 5 equal to a upon s plus 1 by partial fraction plus bs plus c upon s square plus 2s plus 5. Okay, so we make LCM s plus 1 and s square plus 2s plus 5. So what we get? We get here a into s square plus 2s plus 5 plus bs square plus bs and plus cs plus c. Okay, so till here you get my point. Now solve this equation and get the values of a and b. So a s square plus 2as plus 5a plus bs square plus bs plus cs plus c. Now this is equal to 1. Denominator part is get cancelled, so 1 equal to s square we take common. So here what is happening? S square we take common, so here a plus b plus s we take here common, so this become 2a plus b plus c, and here 5a plus c is the constant. So we get three equations here. We make this coefficient, so we compare the coefficient. So s square coefficient a plus b is 0, so we get a equal to minus b. Here 2a plus b plus c is also 0 because s coefficient now present in the left hand side, so a equal to minus b, so this become 2b plus b plus c equal to 0. So minus b plus c equal to 0. So b equal to c here, and this 5a plus c is equal to 1. So a equal to b minus b, this become minus 5b. C equal to b, this become b equal to 1. So minus 4b equal to 1. So this become b equal to minus 1 by 4. We get the value c equal to 1 by 4 and a equal to 1 by 4. C equal to minus b, so then c equal to minus 1 by 4. So we get all the values and we put all the values and get our answer. So come to the point. Y of s we get a equal to minus 1 by 4. A equal to 1 by 4 means 0.25 upon s plus 1 minus b equal to minus 1 by 4. So here minus 0.25 s. C equal to minus 1 by 4. So c is also minus 0.25 upon this become s square plus 2s plus 5. Correct? This becomes 0.25 s plus 1 minus 0.25 s upon s square plus 2s plus 5 minus 0.25 upon s square plus 2s plus 5. Correct, my friend? See, this become 0.25 upon s plus 1 minus this become 0.25 s upon this we can write s plus 1 to the whole square plus 2 square, and this we can write 0.25 upon s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Now this becomes 0.25 upon s plus 1 minus here 2, so we divide this 2, so this becomes 0.125. Okay, and this become 2 of s upon s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Same here, this becomes 0.125 and same. Now this equation become, friends, y of s equal to 0.25 s plus 1, 0.125 2s upon s plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Okay, and this become minus 0.125 1 up 2 upon s plus 1 to the whole square plus 2 square. Correct. So we take inverse Laplace, so y of t we get 0.25 e to the power minus t. Here we get 0.125 into 2, and this is the cos of t into e to the power minus t, and this is 0.125, this is the sin t into e to the power minus t. So this is the y of t we get. Simply y of t we get 0.25 e to the power minus t minus 0.25 cos t into e to the power minus t and minus 0.125 e to the power minus t into sin t. This is we get, and come to the last part. So last part is very easy here. Last part, discuss the system stability. So discuss the system stability. One thing you remember always, any system will stable only when all poles of that system lies in left hand side of S plane. Left hand side of S plane. Okay, so here the system transfer function s square plus 2s plus 5. So for